Good morning. I'm Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, starting tomorrow, trading calendar spreads 8:30 Central, 9:30 Eastern, 6:30 Pacific. It's going to be recorded, so if you can't make all of it, you'll be able to see it. If you are an OptionPit Live subscriber or higher, this is free. All right, so pretty awesome. So go to optionpit.com/calendar and get yourself registered. 147 bucks. What else are you going to do with that money? Nothing that will be as valuable as this. All right, so now let's talk about the market. Well, Google had some good earnings. It's up 12%. It's another case where the market really got it wrong. It didn't look badly. I mean, take a look at this. This is pretty impressive. So going into, let me go to Google, and going into yesterday, if you look at the money, so it was trading 601, or at the close, it was up $17. And the straddle expiring today was pricing a $25 move. A $25 move. It is up $82. All right. I mean, there's a lot of people that make a living selling these like way out of the money iron condors and strangles on earnings. And this is why I don't like that play. It will quickly blow you up. I mean, just impressive. So that's two big announcements where we've just blown the doors off. Netflix being the other one. I mean, so that is just incredible what we've done the last 2 days on those names. Now, areas where things are a little less exciting, some of the financials have been kind of disappointing. You can see Goldman's still down, big legal costs. And, the whole market's off a touch, except the NASDAQ because of Google earnings. So, with this boost down a little bit, you're actually seeing, it's interesting, we've got the VIX down and the S&P down at the same time. But the futures are actually ticking up a tiny, tiny bit. I think the futures got a little overdone. We're going to come in on Monday, and this will be 1260, the VIX. So, call it a 2-point spread. That's about normal. Okay. Where do I see opportunity on the day? I think some of these names, Netflix could be an interesting name as kind of a momentum play. Same thing with Google. LinkedIn is actually seeing a little bit of bounce with these names. That might be the one to fade. And you can see Facebook is off to the races as well. So all the social media is just blowing up, except Twitter's up 37 cents.
Holy gosh.
So that's kind of where I think I'm seeing some opportunity on the day. You can see bonds have gotten a little bit
Muted.
Sorry, Mark. It just
Unmuted.
bonds have gotten a little bit of a rally. I don't think anybody's buying that the Fed is going to be raising rates in September. Otherwise, they wouldn't. They would be lower than where they are. Oil's been having a rough go. Although, again, this Iranian deal, I'm not sure if that goes through. The more I read about it, the less I feel strongly about its ability to pass muster. Aside from that, I think, wow, look at the way gold has died. All the gold bugs are toast bugs. That's been a rough trade for the long gold people. And that's kind of where I would sit on the balance of the day. Aside from that, I do feel like vol of VIX needs to come in a little bit more for the market's really comfortable. And, I think we may soften a little bit after, we were up pretty strongly the last few days. We may have a little softer day, but I still think vol is going to come in. All right, folks, if you got questions, you can call me 888-TRADE-01, or you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. Talk to you soon. Have a good one.